Hi, this is Chitti Babu, and I'm trading from 4 years. And this 2 days it's a value for money. I think because I have a misconception about the trading system. Before I came here and I learned a lot regarding the technical analysis, and I've done two training in other institute, but it's not I learned from that institute. But here I got a lot of information, and thank you for that great knowledge. Here onwards, I want to use this knowledge and I want to implement in my trading system. So all these days I'm listening to the news and also other tips. So I'm trading it. Here onwards, I want to make use of this knowledge and I want to implement it.